BNI traffic lights. Have you ever heard the phrase, you manage what you measure? Well, it's really true. I know it's corny, but it really is true. Every month as a BNI member, you will get an email saying, helping you to get the best return on your BNI investment in the subject line. And that is absolutely true. If you focus on what you're giving, then you're going to get more from BNI. And that's exactly what the traffic lights do. If you turn up to your meetings, you're marked as present. So in the P column, you'll be marked as present. If you happen to miss the odd meeting, that's something we really would hope that you can avoid. So obviously that will be marked as well, because if you're missing meetings, then you need to recognize that. And of course we can help you to find a good quality substitute. See one of these other videos for guidance on that. If you've given referrals, then it's really important you're recognized for that. And when those referrals turn into business and people thank you, then it's really, really important that that shows on your member traffic lights as well. Equally, if you engage in BNI trainings, if you go to a BNI workshop, or if you read a book or listen to a podcast, it's important that you register that as a CEU, a chapter education unit, so that again you can be recognised for giving your time and investing your time into getting more from BNI. If you give a testimonial, so if you say thank you for a great service to another BNI member, you get recognised as the giver of the testimonial for that contribution. So the BNI traffic lights are a very, very simple way of measuring what you're given. Of course, they're not perfect. They can't measure the intangibles, the piece of advice and the other ways that BNI members support each other, but they're a great starting point to seeing what you're contributing, where your strengths are in your BNI membership, and where you can do even better, where you can build on to get a best return from your BNI membership. Do speak to your chapter's education coordinator and your mentor coordinator for more guidance on how to get the best from the member traffic lights, which come out every month.